P1250 fuel pump control out of range. This code is related to how the computer controls the fuel pump. On many vehicles, the fuel pump isn't just on or off. The engine control module can adjust how much voltage or duty cycle is sent to the pump depending on engine demand. When you see out of range, it means the computer is commanding a certain fuel pump output, but the feedback or actual result isn't matching what it expects. In other words, the system isn't able to control fuel delivery the way it should. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, pay attention to symptoms. You might notice hard starting, long crank times, lack of power, stalling, or even a no start condition. Anything related to fuel delivery can show up with this code. Second, check fuel pressure. This is one of the most important steps. Hook up a fuel pressure gauge and compare it to spec. If the pressure is too low or unstable, that points toward a fuel delivery issue right away. Third, inspect the fuel pump itself. A weak or failing fuel pump may not be able to keep up with what the computer is commanding. Over time, pumps wear out and can't maintain proper pressure. Fourth, check the fuel pump control module if the vehicle is equipped with one. Some vehicles use a separate module to control pump speed. If that module fails or sends incorrect signals, it can cause this code. Fifth, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged wires, loose connections, or corrosion, especially near the fuel tank and along the frame. Since the pump is located in or near the tank, wiring in that area is exposed to the elements. Sixth, check the fuel pump relay and fuse. A weak relay or blown fuse can affect how the pump operates. Seventh, consider restrictions in the fuel system. A clogged fuel filter or restricted fuel line can prevent proper fuel flow and make it seem like the pump isn't working correctly. A good general order when diagnosing P1250 would be check fuel pressure, inspect the fuel pump, verify the control module if equipped, inspect wiring and connectors, check the relay and fuse, and look for any restrictions in the fuel system. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a weak fuel pump, a faulty control module, or wiring issues affecting the pump circuit. That's pretty much it for this one.